Hi, this is Keith from Boat Lift Lock. Boat Lift Lock is a storm and theft protection system for your boat lifts. It's an engineered and patented system which deploys on any boat lift in under 5 minutes with no tools. Give you a quick demonstration of how easily it is to deploy the system. The arms sit on the pilings. A storm is coming, or typically you want to service your boat. It's as easy as this. Take the arm off the piling, deploy it into the lift, and insert the pin. The pins are lockable. Again, it takes less than 5 minutes to install on any boat lift. BoatLiftLock.com, storm protection and theft protection for a boat lift. Check out our website.